resurrection buns for Holy Week, and we have our ingredients all laid out. You'll need 8 marshmallows, a croissant roll, refrigerated, which makes 8 rolls, a 1/4 cup of butter, melted, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and these tools. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We have to flour the table because we don't want the dough to stick. Now the butter's melted.
Next, we have to take the dough out and get all the pieces separated. So next, we have to slightly roll the dough so that the pieces are large enough to fit the marshmallows on. Next, we have to cut all the individual pieces of dough off of each other. Next, mix the cinnamon and sugar. Next, lightly coat all of the dough in butter. Next, take some of the cinnamon and sugar mixture and sprinkle it over your dough. Or you can use a shaker if you have it. Next, take the marshmallows and put them onto the dough. Now, we take the dough and stretch it over the marshmallow. And pinch it closed. Lastly, put your resurrection buns on the baking sheet and lightly cover them all with butter. If you like, you can sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon and sugar on top. Man, that was a lot of work. Can't wait to have these. Set timer to 15 minutes and bake them until fluffy and golden brown. Oh wow, I'm glad I checked. Timer done in only 10 minutes. So, the resurrection buns symbolize Jesus exiting the tomb. He is the marshmallow inside of the resurrection buns, and the resurrection bun dough is the tomb. So once you finally cook them, you can see the marshmallow leaks out of the tomb, or Jesus comes out of the tomb.